Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to sign out of Crackle. Now let us begin. Do you know that I have already logged into my account and right now all I want to do is simply sign out. Well, the process is quite easy. Follow me step by step. Simply focus on the nav bar. At the top right, you can see a button like this called as My Account. Simply hover over it and this thing will open up. At the bottom, you can see something called as Sign Out. In case you do not find this, what you guys can do is simply go to settings. It is just a web help center, click on it, and this is it. Once you've gone there, initially you will be in the basic settings tab, and right here just below it you can see account, and right next to it once again, from here you can change your password, sign out of Crackle, delete account and everything. Right now all we want to do is sign out, so I'm simply gonna click on this sign out button, and guys, that is it. You can simply log out that way. Well guys, that's it. That's how you sign out of Crackle. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.